Hello everyone, welcome back to the 24 hour for 30-day Python series. I'm Umi Asma and today we are going to explore some very interesting and essential concept using NumPy. So that is we are moving towards the advanced concepts of NumPy here. So what are we going to cover? We are going to cover about the square root, sine and cosine values, cumulative sum, broadcasting, indexing and slicing in arrays, iterating through 1D array, 2D array, and 3D arrays. So let's dive right into it. Yes, so this is our Jupyter notebook. Okay, so here hashtag square root. First, let us import NumPy. Here we go. Okay, and here see this NumPy provides built-in functions to compute square roots and trigonometric values like sine and cosine. So here the square root first. So import NumPy as NP. Okay. Then after that, hashtag here hashtag square root. Okay. And what is the square root? So here we'll be writing it np dot sqrt. Okay. It computes the square root. So this is the building function. We have it here. So there are two ways to find out the square root. Right. So let me just show you here. First, let us write down here a equals np dot array array open a bracket the square bracket 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 7. Okay, close this and now close the square bracket. Okay, so first the square bracket you have to close, then this parenthesis end. Yeah, I'll give it print np dot sqrt, that is the square root the function. Okay, and I'm printing a inside here. So here we go. Mm, 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 mm. Yeah, so here np dot array we have to give. So here we go, we got the square roots here. Okay, so this is one way of doing it. So the alternative way is, so here I'll be giving x equals np dot array open a bracket then the square bracket. Okay, here I will be giving 32 comma 34 comma 67 comma 78. Now close the square bracket, close the parenthesis, enter. So here I am declaring one more variable d equals np dot sqrt square root of x. Okay, and here I'm printing print d. Okay, so here we go. We got the output. So directly you can pen or you directly you can print it square root or else you can do it in this way as well. Okay, now we have sine sine value and a cos value. A equals inf dot array. Okay, so here I'll be writing it with the 1 comma 2 comma 3. Okay, close the square bracket, close the parenthesis. Now I can print np dot sine of a. Okay, close, enter here. Okay, so here we got the values here. Okay, in the same way we have a cos as well. So here we can give it z equals np dot array open the values 1 comma 2 comma 3, close it, enter, print np dot cos of z. Okay, so here we go. We got the value here for 1, 2, and 3. Now, here the next one we have here is hashtag come sum. So we can say come sum here. So it means a cumulative sum. Cumulative sum. Okay, all right. Then what is this cumulative sum? So cumulative sum is calculating by adding all the elements in a sequence to the current value. So let me just show you hashtag why it is used. It is used to calculate or it is used to calculate by adding all the elements in a sequence to the current value. Okay. Alright. So here let us perform one operation here. So f equals np dot array. Okay, square bracket 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. Okay, close it here. Close the square bracket. Comma 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma 8. Close the square bracket and close it here. Now let us print f here. Okay, so here we go. All right. Then after that, what are we going to do here is x equals np dot come sum. Okay, np dot come sum of f here. Then print x. Okay, so here we go. So we got the output here. So this come sum is used to calculate by adding all the elements in a sequence to the current value. It will add all the elements. Okay. So in the sequence to the current values. Okay. There is a one more way of doing a come sum here. So here I will be doing array equals nv dot array square brackets 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 square bracket, close it, enter. Now I'm gonna print cumulative. Okay, print cumulative sum colon comma np dot come sum array. Close it here. Okay. So here we go. So it will print 1, 3, 6, 10. Okay. So it will add all the elements here. Okay. From the beginning of an array. And apart from that, see, this come sum is useful in time series, running totals, etc. Okay. So now the broadcasting. So hashtag broadcasting. Okay. What do you know about a broadcasting? What is a broadcasting is? So broadcasting allows NumPy to perform arithmetic operations on arrays of different shapes. Okay. So here we write it down here. Broadcasting allows NumPy to perform arithmetic operations on arrays of different shapes. Okay. So here we go. Then after that, how do we perform it here? So let me give you an example here. ARR equals NP dot array, open the bracket, parenthesis. Now 1 comma 2 comma 3, close the parenthesis. Now we are going to print array plus scalar. Okay, scalar, comma ARR plus, see, I have to give one more value here as a scalar, equals 5. So here scalar, close the bracket. Okay, then after that enter. Okay, so let us see here. So we got the value as 6, 7, and 8 here. Okay, so it will be adding it here. Okay, then let me show you a broadcasting in 1D array. Hashtag broadcasting in 1D array. And so how do we do that? So I'm just creating a variable name called matrix equals np dot array, open the back brackets, and here I'm giving a 1, close, comma 2, close, comma 3, close. Okay, now close the entire bracket here, parenthesis. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna print broadcasting, with 1D array. Okay, so here we go, comma matrix plus ARR. Okay, let us close it here. Now here we go, we got the output. Okay, broadcasting with 1D array. Now here we have a next session, okay, that is indexing and slicing. So hashtag indexing in indexing and slicing, enter. So ARR equals np dot array. Okay, so see this indexing and slicing let us access and modify parts of arrays. It helps to access and it helps to modify the parts of arrays here. Okay, so here uh, 10 comma 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40 comma 50. Okay, so this is my values here. Now I'm gonna print first element. So if I want to print the first element, close it, comma ARR square brackets into 0. So the value is okay. 0 we give it here. Then close, enter, print. So the first value is 10 here. ARR 0. So the index value will start from 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4 here. Okay. So now if I want to print the last value, print hashtag last value, comma. Okay. So here ARR ARR square bracket minus 2 and the last. Okay. Close here. Close the bracket. Here we go. Here we got the last two values. The output here is 40 comma 50. Okay. So that is your indexing. Going to learn about hashtag slicing. Okay. So now here I have a matrix equals my variable name is matrix. Open np.array, np.array. Open the parenthesis, close it, and here 1, comma 2, comma 2, close the bracket, comma 3, comma 4, 4, close the bracket, comma then 5 comma 6. Okay, close the brackets here. All right, now let us print second row, comma matrix of 1. Okay, here we go. Let us see, let us print it here. Okay, I have given matrix here. Yeah, matrix, here we go. The second row we have it 3 comma 4. Okay. All right. So in this we use slicing to avoid loops when it's possible. All right. Now we have iterating here. Hash, hashtag iterating. So we'll be iterating the different dimension of arrays like 1D array, 2D array, and 3D array. So ये are 1D equals np dot array, open the bracket, close. Okay, 10 comma 20 comma 30, close the brackets, enter for I in arr 1D. Okay, then we're gonna print hashtag 1D element. Okay, 1D elements, comma I. So here we go. So 10, 20, 30. Now we are going to iterate through the array or 2D array. So arr 2D equals np dot array, open the brackets, 1 comma 2, close it, comma then 3 comma 4. Okay, close the brackets here. For row in arr 2D. Okay, so this is the syntax for row in. Yeah, here we go. Now enter here for value in row. Okay, then print 2D element, comma 1. Okay, close it here. Now let us see. So here we got 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we are going to iterate in 3D array. arr 3D equals np dot array equals np dot array. Then here 1, 2. Oh, sorry. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 brackets will be giving 1 comma 2. Close this bracket, comma open 3 comma 4, comma 5 comma 6. Okay, 6 comma 7 comma 8. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Close all the 3 brackets. Now enter here for block in arr 3D. Enter for block in arr 3D. Okay, enter. So now for row in block. Okay, and here for val in row. Okay, then we are gonna print it, print 3D element. Okay, close it, comma, we can give it a value here. Here we go. We got it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So here today you learned how NumPy handles mathematical operation, broadcasting, indexing, slicing, and iterating through arrays of various dimensions. If you found this very useful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Join me tomorrow for day 25 where we will explore even more powerful NumPy features. So bye bye. Take care.